Hello, you trader nerds. We begin another lovely week. We expect the premium to come in because it did not come in yesterday. We are expecting a great week of profit. So welcome in. I am Dr. Bobby Gaines, aka Sweet Bobby, the world's worst trader. But friend, let me tell you something. I ain't near as bad as I used to be because you will often see me do things that I should not do. I violate my principles. I violate my values. I violate my rules all over the place. And without you being here with me, I am the most undisciplined person on the planet. So you help me to rein me in. And I need that, right? A lot of y'all need that. That's why we get married. I mean, Ed's wife, can y'all imagine that the poor cross that woman has to bear? Huh? Can you imagine? Oh, by the way, if you want a Trade Naked shirt, these are great for the summertime. Look at this beautiful shirt, Trade Naked. It's a Trader Nerd thing. We've got a little store down in the description on our YouTube videos. You can get your own Trader Nerd spreadsheet. You can get your Trader Nerds t-shirt in a variety of colors, and it is awesome. So anyway, welcome in, everybody. So we got Tim, we got Matt, we got Rick, we got Stacy, we got P-Dub, Rick, John, Victor, James, Glenn, Doran, who else? Carlos, Fred, Ralph, Mo, Chris, Paul. We got a lot of people here. So Don, Hal, Tim, this is great. I'm glad to see all y'all. All right, so let us share our screen here so we can get started. Did y'all not get to hear the whole? Oh yeah, y'all got to hear y'all got to hear the thing. Here we go. Screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, and I want to share sound. Why is it not letting me share sound? There we go, baby. All right, everybody see my screen. All right, so let's see what we can do here. So let's first of all, let's take a look at the market, okay? And my kid is having he's got issues. I don't know what I'm going to do. So the market's down 0.28%. Oh, behave my soul. It's been up and it's been down and it's got a little mind of its own. I didn't know what it was going to do with the Russia stuff going over on the weekend. How about that, huh? Hey, Putin, I'm going to take you on. And then all of a sudden, oh, we give up. We're sorry. Sorry we did that. And exile me to another country. What the crap? What the flip is that? So the market's down just a little bit. VIX is at 14. I believe that's up a little bit. AD is trending down now. So we'll see what the market holds. Let's look at the, what do you say?
Bobby, real
Bobby.
quick. You're sharing your playlist.
Oh, sorry. Let me stop share and share again. So y'all didn't see any of that. Thank y'all for letting me know. Where's my thing at? Share screen. And then I want to share screen 2. Go to screen. How's that?
Yeah, I see an ES chart.
There you go. All right, so let's look at the monthly 10 moving average. The monthly thing is still well above the 10-month moving average. This is some moving averages that you and I have added. Let's look at the weekly 10 over the 20. The 10 is still above the 20. So we are still in a bullish configuration. We're just having a little bullish pullback, right? Let's look at the daily 200-day moving average. We are clearly above the 200 daily moving average. Let's look at the volume profile with the big green monster. We are, as expected, we go from overbought back into the fair value zone. So we're now into the fair value zone. This is a magnet, this is a magnet, and of course, the other magnet is the 50% line that we often will see. So that's what, 43.37 or so. There's a magnet as well. So this kind of looks bullish. Bullish, looks kind of bearish in the short term. But again, this is just 10-day direction. So I would say, where are we going? Right in here, right? I'm about to whoop his butt. Yelling at his mama. He said, Mama's a liar. I'm like, let me tell you something. And the thing is, you can never go, hey, we're going to separate and we're going to like, oh, is mama a liar? No. You have got to put on a solid front. I and your mama are one, Jack. You can't come to me right from behind your mama and expect me to take your side over mama. That's where a lot of families get in trouble. With those children, you got to be a united front. Let me tell you something, pal. You fixing to get your little arse whooped if you don't get. Now, some of y'all might be anti-spanking. That's fine too. I don't care. We've got a timeout chair too. Matter of fact, here's my timeout sign. I need to show y'all my timeout sign. All right. So what are we doing now? This is good. So let's look at the expected move. Let's look at the expected move. And the expected move for, good Lord, look at this. The expected move for this week was this, and we just bulled over. This is the week we got stung on those calls. Remember that? So we were inside the expected move. We're a little bit outside the expected move. And last week, oh, I can't see it because of the high. Here it is. Last week, looks like we had a trend down outside of the expected move. Wouldn't surprise me this week after having 2 weeks in a row of being outside the expected move. It wouldn't surprise me to see an inside week. So we'll see. And again, I think it's the week where a lot of our premiums going to come in and a lot of our profits are going to come in. Let's now finally, after we're looking at market structure, let's look at the skew driver. I've already entered the skew driver for the day. It is 32. So we are in the normal range now. So I don't have any pause that there may be a sudden correction or anything like that. If we were to get down here below the red line, if that got really low, I might say, "Ooh, danger, danger, Will Robinson." But I don't see that. I just see it's kind of it's business as normal with the skew driver. All right. Any questions on market structure? So let's go to our accounts. Let's go to the Tasty Trade account. Today is the year of our Lord 6/26/23. Ed has I'll give Ed the floor. Ed has a class coming up on T-bills. It's not going to be recorded. It will be posted inside our Discord room. Ed, you want to say anything about the class?
Hey, good morning, everyone. Yeah, it's just a live Q&A, not to be recorded. So I want people to feel free to participate. The day session is tomorrow at 1 Central. I'll be posting a link probably in live chat in my room at the same time. I'm not sure exactly what venue I'm going to do that on yet, whether it's Zoom or something else. And then I'm going to do a nighttime session. I'm not sure if it's tomorrow night or Wednesday night. So I'll be posting that. I'm waiting to see when I'm babysitting. So,
oh, Ed. Hey, how exciting is that? A nighttime session, Ed? I may try to log into that.
Well, I want to cover the bases of those that aren't able to make it during the day. So
that is so sweet of you, Ed. Look at Ed, y'all. Ed is the man, y'all. Ed is the man. We give Ed a lot of grief sometimes, but Ed's the stuff. He's a real deal. So thank you for that, Ed.
Sure.
So everything, y'all, looks kind of good. Look, I mean, we're 24%. We're at 0.11% on our thingamajig. We're a little bit long, you know, but I mean, there's really nothing to do. I don't see anything to y'all. I mean, would y'all make an adjustment here? It's red, it's green. I don't think so. I think it's just business as usual. Let's see what the risk profile looks like. I mean, y'all, we got a 98% probability of profit. I love it. I love it a lot. Look at that. 2 standard deviation down move, we're fine. Market goes up, we're fine. We just need that premium to come in a little bit. All right, let's go to the IRA.
Bobby, before you leave that one,
yeah.
Can you go into your spreadsheet and just show like, and I've been out for a couple of weeks. You used to kind of go into each one and say, look, this has triggered an alert, where are you on the alert things here? Are you looking out of session at this stuff or?
What do you mean alert, Ed?
Just in your spreadsheet where you used to have trades, like they were in a certain DTE time frame or that, and you'd get a trigger to get out of the position.
Okay, I'll show you that. Yeah, let me show you that on the IRA here. Yeah, I know what you're talking about now. So let's look at the IRA, and then we'll look at what Ed. Remember, I've got a freehand account, and then I've got 2 or 3 accounts that I record trades. So this is 27,534, 27,540, 27,540, 27,540. Yeah, you can't call your mama a liar. Oh, that's the wrong account. Show the right account. JoJo. Netlick is. Oh, that's the wrong account. Wait a second. You know, we got a little family strife going on here, y'all. I thought. All right, 85,653. 85,653. Let's see how that looks. 85. So we're down a little bit. 85,653. God, that premium's got to come in, y'all. I mean, it's just got to. 626.23. So yeah. So Greeks and ratios. Dig-a-die. Let's see how our Greeks and ratios are. And I know I go fast sometimes, y'all, and I apologize. If you need me to ever slow down, let me know. 133.74. 133.74. 74. Good. I like my theta going up. That's good. And then we're at 14 fix, and the buying power is 23,134. 23,134. Okay, so we're a little rich along the way, right? We're a little rich. Our theta is not quite there. And what Ed was talking about is where I record my trades. Like if this was 0 days left in the trade, this would turn yellow. For example, if this were 60 days to start with, there's the trigger for me to get out, right? Or to close it on my spreadsheet. And then we also have a trigger over here. If we have reached half of the time frame of our naked or our credit spreads. So let's say that, let's see, we're in this one. Let's see, I was going to show you one. Naked here. It's got 21 days in trade. We got 53 left. Like if we started out with what, 42 or 40 days, then we would get a close signal when this reaches, 50% of time. So if we put it on for 42, you close it at 21. Is that what you're talking about, Ed?
Yeah, it is. Thank you.
Good. Yeah, I love the little trigger. So just make sure, if I need to close something, I could close something, and here, I guess, it's one of those things I'm kind of pulling the Stacy now. The less I mess with things, the better off it is, and I sometimes I just mess with my account too much. Am I comfortable with these metrics? Let's go back to this. Let's say, am I comfortable with my Gregson ratios? 27%. Yeah. I'm a little light on theta. Yeah. I'm a little long by 5 deltas. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good. And then you could go to your Analyze tab and you could say, how do we look on the old Analyze tab? And remember where your broker is looking at 12% down, right? So let's see, hide simulations, portfolio beta weighted. Yeah. So 12% down is this. 12% down, we would be down $21,000. So, there's no margin call, so to speak. Now, it does say we'd be using 92,000 in buying power. We would make adjustments before we got there, blah, 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 blah. So everything looks good. What I really like is, the theta. You watch the theta and it's 723. Sorry, go to today. There we go. It's June 26th. There we're down 25,000. Okay. If we go down 5%, we're down 5,000. But look what happens if we go up, baby. And again, this is another reason that we're saying, hey, I'm looking at market structure more and more to figure out, am I more bullish or am I more bearish? And when we look at the linear regression, which we didn't take a look at, we realize that this is just a bullish retreat, it's maybe even retreat back down to here or back down to here, but overall, we're still in that bullish trend. So I think everything still says bullish. That's why I'm not like, oh, I'm going to lay on some calls. Yeah, not right now. Not right now. Let's just let our theta of $73 chirp, 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 chirp. We're already up $4,000 on our open position. Let's get another $81 today, and let's just keep going. All right, so let's look at the Crimson account. Crimson. And if you are trading all by yourself, please get a community. Join our Discord, join Tom King's Discord, join David Sun's Discord. Get into your community. Get in a community and hang out, get you some buds and some friends and, talk and chat. This is fun. That's what we do. That's why Trader Nerds is here. We talk, we're a family. We love having y'all here. All right, so let's go here. And NetLick and day trade 35,386, 35,386. Put that in. I hate them down a little bit. 35,386, 626.23. God, I can't believe this month's almost over. Gregson ratios, how are we looking? We are at 73.36, 73.36. A little long, but again, that's why I'm looking at market structure. Am I upset that we're long? Not really. I think that's probably what we need to be. And our buying power is 93, 96. 93, 96. Okay, 26%. We're right at the theta, and we're a little long. Okay. Big stinking to do. I think we're good. Let's see if we've got any trades here that need adjustment. Nothing at all is showing up. So I think it's business as usual. Let's look at the risk profile over here. Go to Analyze tab. And ES, we're going to hide simulations, portfolio beta weighted. We got to get rid of those the little T-bills that cause us a little bit of friction. But for the money that they're making us, are you kidding? You know, one thing I need to do, Ed, I need to check out what my total commissions are in the Tasty account and what the total commissions are here and compare the difference and see if it's a big enough difference to where the T-bills have overcome the difference in fees. That would be a great little thing. Now, how do I do that? I'm not exactly sure. All right, so let's look at 12% down. So we'd be down $13,000. So that's not above our net lick or even getting close to our net lick. So we are good. This is a what, $35,000 account. So we are good. We are up $1,700 on our opening trade, on our open trades. We should be collecting $36 a day. It looks like it says we collected $45 today. And we just, let this go. As you move days, look what happens. Boom, jigga-doom, jigga-doom. Look at there. P&L open just goes up. So there's nothing to do other than let the premium come in. Let's see if we can see how much. I'll tell you what, I think I'm going to do that in the after school. So why don't we do that? All right, any questions about anything? So like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Look down, we've got in the comments, you can get our spreadsheet, you can get our trading plan, our written trading plan, all kinds of stuff there. And don't forget the cool Trader Nerd t-shirt. So I love y'all, appreciate you so very much. And I will see y'all tomorrow.